Ari kiumia kimwe riu kumariria mwandiki MUKARU ruhonge-ini rwa UTHAMI JULIUS BITOK amukirire gikundi kia mbere kia Agendi aria maingirire bururi-ini kuhitukira mutambo wa ETA thutha wa President William Ruto gwathana kuninwo kwa marua ma visa muthia-ini wa mwaka muhituku. Riu gukinyaniria na riu Agendi 32 kuma mabururi matiganite nio meyandikithitie GUKA Kenya kuhitukira mutambo uyu wa ETA.
And we are happy to inform the country that the system is stable. Travelers are now having a lot of convenience coming to Kenya, and we have received 32,000 travelers using ETA, and they are very happy with the experience.
Arishera-ini ria guthurima mihango ya kwamukira agendi kuhitukira mutambo uyu kiharo-ini kia ndege kia GKIA BITOK AUGITE aria marikitie kuhitukio kuingira haria ya 32,000 ni andu 25,000 undu uria hotithitie thirikari kungania $1 milioni 1 gukinyaniria na riu.
Now edited our system. We are updating it every other time to ensure that application is stress-free and as fast as possible. And also we have prioritized travelers in that as they are coming, when they apply on the other side, the system is intelligent enough to be able to prioritize travelers that are coming in.
Of the 32,000, we have been able to approve 25,000 ETAs for people to come to Kenya. Travelers coming on tourism, coming on business, coming for investment, coming for different reasons.
Gukiri uguo hakuhi andu 110 nio magiritio kuingira thutha wa kwiyandikithia mutambo-ini wa ETA kumana na itumi cia ugitiri. Umwe wa maria matumaga amwe mekirire nganja mubango uyu ari uhotekeku waguo wa kuhotomia ugitiri wa bururi.
Right now we have about 100 people who have been denied entry because of one reason or another, and largely because of national security. And you know, we are operating in a global environment where we have community of nations coming together. We have watch lists from Interpol, United Nations, and many other security agencies around the world who share with us information.
Ona gutwika mabururi maria mari rungu rwa ngwataniro ya mabururi ma gitaro kia irathiro ria Africa matirabatara kwiyandikithia kuhitukira mutambo wa ETA. BITOK ni atheretie ati maundu mamakonie no nginya monganio kuhitukira mutambo uyu.
Every traveler coming to Kenya applies for ETA, but for East Africa we have given them what we call ETA gratis. The government approved ETA gratis. That is exemption on payment only. But in terms of information, we collect information from everybody.
Hau kafere raia kuma mabururi 51 matirabataraga marua ma visa kuingira bururi-ini. Ruhonge rwa uthami rugititirithia aya nio maramba gubashirirwo hoka ni kwiyandikithia mutambo-ini wa ETA.
The system has given them priority, say that as soon as they apply for ETA, they're able to get it as soon as possible. So there's no backlog and there's no reason to worry.
Muoroto munene wa President William Ruto akiheana riathani riri wari kuongerera namba ya agendi aria maraingira bururi-ini hamwe na kwandandura mieke ya wigithia, thirikari ikionania mwihoko wa namba ya agendi kuongerereka maita meri. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi wa Shege.